So in this video, guys, I will tell you about the website which offers thousands, even millions. I can say that even millions and infinite courses for free. Yeah, I'm in this video. I'm going to tell that website. Let's go to the web and type Digital Defined, and here's the website, guys. I'm taking you to their website, and I'm taking to this website. You can see the interface. It is loading a bit late because my internet connection is slow. uh, uh, so guys, it is just getting loading. So guys, this is the website. You can see that the categories, all courses from university courses, they have different categories. You can see that you can see that there are 45,000 plus free courses, university programs, and the defined free certificates. You can see that they are offering thousands, even billions of courses, I can say. And have a look at this website if you want free education. Look at this: MIT, Yale, Columbia University. They have categories for which courses you want, for which subject you want courses. So this is the best website, I think, where you can get the courses for free. So subscribe this channel because there will be new videos regularly, inshallah.